Sunday and the next episode is on the way. Last week we saw the Turbochange in the 750 and today we're gonna see what happened later and what's up next. So you don't want to miss this episode, trust me. So after the turbo change has been done, the car is really back to its former glory, and this is an amazing car to drive and to really ride along in. The equipment level of this car is quite unique. It's an individual car, so it has quite a few very exotic options. Not to mention the interior, the multimedia system, the Bang & Olufsen sound system, and the inner ceiling, which is the Alcantara fully leather. So, yeah, this car, I'm totally in love with it. June 19, more or less exactly 1 month after the turbo replacement was done, my girlfriend Sarah had an accident. She was crossing a larger road when the car didn't slow down coming from her right side in a dead angle. So it was unavoidable and the accident was a fact. The car had fatal destruction and the frame became crooked and the body, well, it became unsavable. And since the parts to repair a car like this is quite expensive, it was a total loss. So new things were to happen. Sarah was picked up by the ambulance on site and brought to the hospital, where they could determine that she had neck pains but no permanent damages, and she will fully recover. A lot thanks to her intense training. Just a few days before the accident, she had a competition in body fitness and she came in third. So thanks to that, I think the muscles really could take the hit. Yeah, when things happen, it goes quite fast. So the car is a write-off, and as soon as we had the discussions done with the insurance company, well, we just had to find a new object, don't you think? So this is what happened next. Sunny day, preparing with a light luggage for a travel down to Düsseldorf, Germany, for a little bit of a investment. So don't want to miss this.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Morning. The day is here to watch the new object for the channel and daily driver. So just gonna get rid of the hotel and take a walk 2 blocks down the road to the dealership. So hang along. On the way to the dealership, walking through a beautiful Germany in the early morning, and everything's fine. Just expecting the car to be like they say it is. Here's the car, a new project, 750 diesel, the long wheelbase version with a lot of goodies. There's footrests, the room for legs and everything is quite big. And the ceiling back here, you have also in the roof, you have the individual reading lights here. You have also individual air condition panels for both passengers in the rear. You have you have the curtains for the door, and of course for the rear. So should be possible to shade down quite good. Yeah, it's a beige interior in leather, extended leather, and well, I think it could be working well for the project ahead. So the trip went well and it was quite an adventure. Everything went well and the car is absolute perfect. However, this doesn't stop here. This car is supposed to be like a project car. So we're gonna do some major rebuilds to this car and we're gonna modify it. The idea is to make it look almost 10 years newer. So we're gonna look at it like a G12, meaning the second facelift type of the next generation. Something like this. So black on black with a 22-inch Alpina wheels. I think it's gonna look great. We're gonna get it lower down and everything. So that's coming in the next few episodes. Yeah, and some, of course, maintenance to the same car. However, today this is what I had, and I'll keep you posted with new updates on the cars, the 750, the Lamborghini, and we have more BMW classics waiting in line. All right? So, see you next time.